Hey everyone, Jake and I will be hosting a webinar on July 21st that you're not going to want to miss because we're going to be sharing insider tips on how to take your first party data strategy on Facebook and Instagram from basic to extra. Jake, can you share a little bit about what we'll be covering?
Yeah, it's definitely more important than ever to start utilizing that first party data you probably didn't even know you could use to influence more vehicle sales through your social advertising efforts. We'll go over how you can hook up your existing DMS to not only match back sales to advertising campaigns on social, but also how you can tap into your existing customer base to reach those people who are most likely to be back in the market again, to drive more sales, and then build customer loyalty overall.
Awesome. And on top of all of that goodness, is there anything extra we can throw in?
Yeah, not only will we be talking about things like using your DMS to maximize sales, also how you can take advantage of stuff like manifest lists, and then our top 3 always on and in the moment campaigns that use that valuable data you already own to take your social strategy to the next level.
Perfect. So click the link to register. Join us on July 21st. We can't wait to see you there.